Here's all the TruFiber carbon parts laid out. All this is about to go in the Whippled Smurf today. These aren't cheap overlays. These are actual real genuine carbon made by TruFiber out of Houston, Texas. Hello, sorry for not giving you a step-by-step install video, but I just wasn't able to do it this time. It was a pretty straightforward install for the TruFiber carbon fiber panels though. The stereo carbon insert was rather difficult and time-consuming. There were quite a few clips to transfer. I want to thank Gearheads Performance from Mansfield, Texas for helping with the wiring of my Autometer and Banks IDash Pro. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming mods. Please like and subscribe, and I appreciate it. I'll catch you later. Thanks. Bye.